Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight Zach and I are going to be showing you how we set up our Clam C890 tent. It's pretty crazy. We actually have a floor. It's pretty perfect for ice camping actually, which we are planning on doing a little bit later this season. So stay tuned and we'll show you what's going on.
So we have completely floor. It took us no time. Super easy. Whenever you don't have winter snow around.
It's a lot easier when you have a couple people and our floor is all numbered.
The most artistic person in our family did the numbering.
I chose the number 4 because it's really hard to screw up.
Whatever.
But a lot of them kind of look like hieroglyphs because he's still learning his ABCs and 1, 2, 3s.
You better not feel better. Very smart, guys. He never even passed first grade.
So yeah, we got the floor all put together. Now we're gonna just put the tent up.
Okay, so we got the tent up, we put our lights in here, and now I just gotta fill it up
Yeah,
to show you guys.
we just found out that camera mount is like amazing
Yeah,
in this position. So,
we're very lucky.
just to give you guys a display of our lighting that we have. So I just got these off of Amazon,
They're LED
little
lights.
tap lights. They're also remote controlled too. So
They're magnetic, if you didn't notice.
you can turn them off, turn them on.
Change mode.
It changes the temperature of the color. Yeah. And you can also dim the brightness
That doesn't really matter.
or make it full bright. Pretty awesome though. I
Very,
just keep the remote in my pouch.
very nice for putting on new lures instead of over.
That and anytime you just need some extra light,
Yeah.
you got it. It's a touch of a button. So now we're gonna show you guys how we set this up. We'll do another time lapse.
Alright you guys, so now we got the tent all set up. We'll give you a little tour.
It's like you're stepping into a nice resort.
Right, so we got the live scope right there. The transducer goes in that hole. I fish from here, Zach fishes from there.
And our friend usually fishes from there.
Yep. And then we got two 27-inch monitors. One of them has the camera on it. Nice little tripod action. That makes it really convenient.
Yes, way better than just looking at this tiny, what, 7-inch?
Yeah, it's a little 7-inch monitor. And what's powering these monitors This is a 150 watt inverter. You don't really need hardly any power at all to power these monitors. We were out fishing for about 10 hours straight and the battery voltage dropped at like 0.3 volts. So like no power at all. So if you're worried about power issues, there's nothing to be concerned about.
So this is the, of course, camera side. Now we go over to the movie side. Got the best YouTube channel out of them all.
Oh yeah.
Should definitely subscribe to them, or I guess us. We're running it on, all this on a NVIDIA Shield.
Yep.
It's a very amazing thing.
It is. When you're out on the lake, if you have cell service and you're able to get a mobile hotspot, you can just set up the mobile hotspot and have internet and just watch anything. We were watching Edge of Tomorrow while fishing at the same time. So that was pretty cool. If you guys are wondering how I mounted these monitors, it's so simple. Basically, I just made 2 brackets. These are screws that are actually part of the monitor. Just bent a couple pieces of aluminum and then tied some bungee cords onto it. And now you can hang it on these poles for your tent.
Bungee cords are like the most amazing thing for this process of ice fishing. Alright guys, that concludes our build and tour of our Clam C890 thermal tank.
Let us know what you thought of it. Hopefully it may have given you some ideas of what to do with your ice tent. Be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.
Have a good one.